What's up beauties, it's your Aunt Gresha Sylvain. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe down below, and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. For this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY facial routine that you guys can do at home. So if you're low on coins, you can still get your beauty regimen in. So guys, for the past couple months, I realized I've been breaking out a lot. So this facial is gonna be heaven on my skin right now. So guys, I'm starting off by cleansing my face to get rid of all the oil and dirt that is underneath my skin, and I'm gonna be using this spin brush. I'm not sure the name of it at the moment, but I'm gonna get the correct name for you, and it's gonna be down in the description bar down below. Now guys, I'm going to be washing my face with this soap. I do not remember the name of this soap, but I've been using it forever, and it's really good for getting rid of those black spots after you pop your pimple. Now guys, I want to introduce y'all to this steamer. I bought this a while back. It is heaven on earth. Like, you can get your steaming, you can do a hot towel. Now the good thing about this steamer is that it comes with these tools that allow you to pop pimples of any size or anywhere on your face, like the best of both worlds. And guys, I usually pop my pimples right after steaming my face because it helps to get them bad boys out easier. This is the vacuum, so this is gonna suck all of them pimples out. Bye bye. Now I'm moving on to scrubbing my face, and I'm using the Freeman charcoal face scrub. Now for this mask, I'm using the Freeman Deep Clearing Manuka Honey and Tea Tree Oil Face Mask. And I'm gonna put this on for 20 minutes until it's dry. Next, I'm gonna be using the Absolute New York Awaken Brighten Facial Sheet Mask, and I'm gonna put this on for another 20 minutes. Now guys, watching this video back, I realized the part that goes on your nose, for some reason I didn't think of putting it down. Now we're moving on to a little shower. For this body polish that I'm using, this is all natural. The ingredients include brown sugar and a whole other lot mix up. Yeah, smells good. Now for my facial toner, I'm going to be using the Thayer's facial toner, Witch Hazel in Rose Petal. Now I definitely had to spritz up my face with some Mario Badescu's facial spray with aloe and herbs and rose water in one. So I'm gonna be adding some tea tree oil on my face. Now this is gonna help burn out all of them little bumps there that you have on your face. For my moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Lubriderm Daily Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. Now this one is also SPF, and for a little bit more moisture, I'm going to be using the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. Now we can't forget the lips, and look there, the video done. Now guys, thank you again so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share until you can't share no more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.